everyone, I am Deck Cadet de la Torre.
I am Black Cadet Estudillo.
And in this video, we're going to talk about the importance of arts appreciation.
Now let's talk about the importance of visual art. So visual art is an important form of communication that uses images to convey ideas, emotions, and expressions. It can be used to tell stories, document history, or simply just to create beauty. Visual arts is an important part of our culture and is beneficial to the society. So now we have the importance of the literary arts. The literary arts inspired which educate and entertain. It reminds us that there is a beauty and joy in language, that others have instinct and paying attention to the struggles are not done. As you can see, there's many books and this is the literary art. Art is might classify more along the lines of literature, including poetry, poems, and prose will be help you express your feelings and emotions.
So here we have the importance of performing arts. Performing arts are a broad category of art forms that use live performers to present stories, ideas, emotions. They can include theater, dance, music, opera, and more. Performing arts can be a powerful way to communicate with an audience. They can be used to entertain, educate, and inspire. They can also be used to explore social and political issues. Performing arts are an important part of our culture. They provide us with a way to express ourselves, to learn about other cultures, and to connect with others.
Decorative arts are objects that are created through beauty and utility. They can be functional objects, such as furniture, jewelry, and textiles. They can be purely decorative objects, such as sculptures, paintings, and ceramics. Decorative arts are objects that can be found in cultures and throughout history.
In conclusion, learning to appreciate art is crucial for social interaction, personal enrichment, cultural awareness, promoting creativity, and the development of critical thinking abilities. We can access our emotions, spark activity, and promote self-reflection through connecting with art. Through art, we acquire insights into many cultures, times in history, and parts of view, fostering empathy and cross-cultural understanding. Overall, art appreciation is an essential aspect of human existence, providing us with a profound and meaningful connection to the world around us.
I want a good fry. Oh, I'll do a fry. Oh.
The importance
Balik-balik. Sige.